Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To strive. Paul and Susan are preparing for a marathon. This marathon is for a cancer charity. Susan, are you excited about the marathon? I am. I think it's a great way to support the charity for cancer. You're right. You know, I lost my brother to cancer, so I'm glad everyone will be there running for him. Absolutely. It's about more than just running. It's about contributing and raising money to combat cancer. Yeah, it's not about just finishing the marathon. It's about much more than that. We should always strive to make a difference. Quiz time! What does to strive mean? To be sad, to run a marathon, to support someone, to make a great effort. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D, to make a great effort. Verb details. We often strive for success, strive for improvement, strive for a better world. To strive means to make great efforts to achieve or obtain something, often over a long period of time. Some verbs have optional forms. Strive has a normal and irregular form. What have you striven for recently? Share your experience in the comments below. Examples. Paul and Susan are striving to make a difference with their marathon run. She strove to improve her skills. He's striving to be a better leader. We're striving to create a sustainable environment. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Charity. An organization to help. I lost my brother. My brother died. I'm glad. I'm happy. Raising money. Taking money for a donation. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.